Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a pair of wireless earbuds which I think for gamers out there, it's almost like a dream come true. What I'm talking about, I'm actually talking about this particular wireless earphone. Alright, it's actually from Edifier. It's under the Hecate series. I'm not really sure if that's how you actually pronounce it. The Hecate series, it's the GX05. Now if you look very closely, the bottom, it actually says a couple of things. Yes, you see that right. It actually says high-res audio. HLDC, I mean, it's an ultra low latency gaming earbuds, wireless earbuds, and it also supports high-res audio HLDC. Like, this is like a dream come true, right? I mean, you have ultra low latency for gaming and then you have high-res audio combined into one single earbud. I mean, what is it all about? Alright, so today we're gonna be unboxing this. I'm gonna just want to check it out. But first, I want to have another shout out to another company which is also sponsoring this video. It's actually called the Telecine. My iPhone 15 Pro is actually mounted to this particular tripod. It's called the Telecine Mini Selfie Stick, magnetic. So you can actually see in the picture here, there's actually a ring here. It's a magnetic ring, so it actually attaches itself directly to the iPhone 15 Pro at the back. So I'm actually using it right now to actually film this particular unboxing video. Thank you, Telecine. Without further ado, let's actually head over to the website. So as you can see here, this is actually the official website of the GX05 in Edifier's website. So you can see here there's actually a few information about this particular earpiece. It says that it's actually dual wireless mode. It has 2.4 gig Bluetooth mode, 10mm dynamic driver, ergonomic design, RGB lighting, sci-fi cool, fast charging, environment noise cancellation, dual microphone noise cancellation, dual connection, and then some further photos. This is how the earbuds look like. Very futuristic, very nice. I love it actually. But later we're going to be doing the official unboxing. Alright, so this is how the casing and the earbuds look like. Very futuristic actually. I love it quite a lot. Oh wow, the lights. Okay. So currently it can come one color, space gray. Let's go down a bit further. So that's actually the official video. Very futuristic. All metal. Oh, you see how it twists? Cool. 15 milliseconds. Wow. I mean, really need to test it out. Oh, so you can actually answer a phone call while you're actually playing. Wow. That's interesting. Okay, so you use it with like iPhone, you have Android, you have PC, you have Switch as well. Okay, it's wow, really nice. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit more. So it's 15 milliseconds, we actually saw that. So it over says here it's simultaneous dual mode connection, black technology for new experience. So over here it actually says that it uses Bluetooth and 2.4G to be connected to two different devices simultaneously to facilitate both gaming and phone calls. Wow, this is nice. Something that we can actually try it out. It's perfect scenario for, plug and play. Look at it, it's a mobile phone, PC, Switch, iPad, PS5, VR. Okay. It has a USB-C adapter and a USB-C converter. Okay, interesting. It's actually equipped with LHDC 5.0 HD record decoding. Okay, so it uses Bluetooth 5.3. So over here it actually says the battery life. So in total it has a 16-hour battery life with a 4.5 hours on the single charge, and it actually has 2C fast charging. Okay, so so for audio codec it offers SBC and LDHC 5.5. Okay, so just take note there's actually no AAC here, so I'm not too sure how you actually work out with iPhone. I mean, we're gonna test it out. Alright, the earbuds is around 4.9 grams. The casing itself is about 100 grams. Of course, that's pretty normal because it's actually made of metal. Okay, cool. So that's about it. So most important right now is let's actually get on to the unboxing of this particular video. Right, so first impression, The box itself is actually pretty heavy, and it actually comes wrapped simple, as you can see here. And you can slide it out. Right, so you can see pretty nice, the name Hecate, and then there's a red tab here with the logo, red logo here, right? And it's actually made of hard plastic. And here, of course, it's really very hard, very solid build. I guess this is one of the best, like most high quality casing I've actually seen for a pair of wireless earbuds. It has never been this huge. Right, so let's open it up. Oh, nice. So it opens up all the way. So the product is here. Oh, it's really metal. So one half is actually the product itself. The other half are like the paperwork. Let's see what's inside. Open up. These are like, I'm not too sure what are these. Oh, these are like the covers, I think so. Silicon seal, I guess. And this is probably like the USB-C receiver, charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. And this one is probably all the quick start guide. Or inside, instruction manual. Alright, we'll get to it a bit later. And we see the main product itself. Whoa, it's very heavy, my goodness. Yeah, okay, let's see up close. You can see here, let's zoom in a bit more. So it says here, right, look at the detail. Man, I've never this. I will have to say this is actually like my second full metal earbud. Alright, the first one is actually from another company that looks a bit like AirPods, but this one is like, wow, it's very elaborated. So this ear points, this one is actually the right earbud, this one is actually the left, and then it says flash speed, push here to open. Right, then you have the USB-C charging port here. And then the product name is here, pointing up here, logo. What else? Okay, then there's a button at the bottom. Whoa, do you see that? Wow, look at the lights. Woo. Okay. Oh, you can change. Alright, cool. So what I'm going to do now is let's slide open. It's clockwise direction. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, it can only turn clockwise, but it can keep turning clockwise. Very nice click. See, there's a... Oh my goodness. Right. Okay, so when we take out, this is like the receiver. So this is the right side. Close. Oh, I love the earbud. It reminds me a little bit of the, what is it? The Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Yeah, I'll put the link here if you want to see. Right, very similar to Redmi Buds 3 Pro, the design. Right, oval in shape, metallic, very nice. And then I think this one should be the LED light. Then over here is like rubberized texture. Right, the texture is a rubberized, so it's actually very easy to hold. Even though like my finger now is a bit oily, it doesn't matter. Right, and there's a pogo pin here with a plastic over it, a sticker over it. Alright, you can peel it off. And silicon seal. Let's remove it. Yes, I like it. Very deep groove, you can see here. So it actually have a very good hold on the silicon seal itself. The cover is actually metal. Right, the driver is actually inside. So let's put it back. Let's take out the other one as well. Now I'm just going to put it on for comfort. Not bad. Feels very comfortable. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to see what happens when we actually charge the earbuds. Okay, so what I have with me here is actually the USB-C cable. Plug it in and see what happens. Okay, so you actually see the light
lit it up. Okay. The RGB light going crazy. Okay, and then the lighting here as well. So is it really charging? I'm not too sure, but that's how it looks like when it's all fully charged. When it's actually charging. Let's plug it out. Okay, so RGB light off. You have the little bit of RGB light from the earbuds itself. So let's plug it back in. So this light you see here, it means it's actually charging, and then the earbuds are actually pulsing. You can see it. See? Yeah, pulsing here. Cool. I mean, let's leave it to charge, and then you see what happens in probably another 1 hour time. Alright, hi guys. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you how we actually do the Bluetooth pairing for the GX05 and an iPhone. So what I have with me here is actually the iPhone 12 mini. So the first thing you need to do is go into setting, make sure that the Bluetooth is on. So what I need to do here is actually take it out. Does it do the Bluetooth pairing? And there you go. You will see Hecate GX05. Tap on that, and it's actually connected. You can see here. Alright, so these are some of the options you'll see in an iPhone 12 mini if you're using an iPhone. Alright. Okay, so let's wear them and let's test out some of the controls. So the first thing here is that the touch command is actually located here. This LED strip here, as you can see. Alright, so this is actually the left earbud. So it says double tap to play and pause. So let's double tap, pause, play. And this is actually the right earbud. Right. Let's double tap, pause, play. And if we press and hold, it's actually going to be backtrack. So we test the left side. Previous track, you can see the bar actually run away. So let's press and hold again. Let's try another one. Okay, so this one, press and hold. Next song. Next song. Next song. Very good. Let's try it. Previous track. The next one is actually activating between music mode and gaming mode. So I think I need to wear, I'll just wear the left side because it actually works on the right side. So it's actually 3 tap. So it's now actually in music mode. So there's a video voice which says it's game mode. Right, so let's try the 4 tap. So this is actually light off. Light on. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Right. So it's more or less like this. Right, these are the basic commands. There's actually no volume up, volume down for the controls actually. Okay, let's. So next part, I'm just gonna wear them and see, how is the music like. Right, so the volume level is currently pretty low. Right, let me get to something. Okay, this is not bad. Okay. rock. I mean, now the volume is like 70-80%. Okay, this one. Yes. The bass is okay. Let me just pause. Right, so I would like to say that the bass is okay. Considering it's actually around like the 70% audio level. Bass is okay. It's a bit on the bassy side, but I think it would actually satisfy some of you here who actually prefer heavy bass. But the thing is that when you're listening to music, make sure that you're actually in the music mode and you're not in the game mode, because there's a huge difference in terms of the sound quality. So this has actually been my initial Bluetooth pairing with an iPhone 12 mini and my initial impression of how the music sounds like. But of course, I'm actually going to be testing a lot more on this particular earbud, so do stay tuned. And yeah, subscribe if you want. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.